So guys, if you also face this kind of problem where it is written you need the official WhatsApp to log in, or guys, due to this issue you are unable to use your WhatsApp account. So guys, in today's video I will tell you how you can fix this issue and how you can use your WhatsApp account. So guys, in our first method, first of all delete the third party WhatsApp application, and guys, then install the official WhatsApp from your Play Store or App Store. Then friends, as you install, then open the WhatsApp official application and here tap on agree and continue option guys, and here tap on three dot which is available in the top right side, and then tap on help option. And friends, here first of all describe your problem, and guys, in the next step add a screenshot of your problem and then tap on next option. So after then open the browser, and in this browser search WhatsApp contact support. Simply search and then tap on first website which is contact WhatsApp. And friends, here first of all fill your phone number, then your email address, and then confirm that email address. And guys, then choose your device in which you are facing this issue, and after then describe your problem or describe the exact issue which you are facing in your WhatsApp. And friends, then tap on next step option, and friends, then tap on send question option. So as you tap on send question option, your message will be sent to the WhatsApp contact support team, and guys, they will try to solve or resolve your problem. And friends, after doing all these steps, keep in mind always use the WhatsApp official application, because whenever you use the unofficial WhatsApp application then you will face this kind of problem. So always use WhatsApp application from Play Store or App Store. I hope this video helps you. Or guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.